Yes, hi dear students, good morning to everyone. Yes, welcome back, session 9. The previous session we have discussed up to question number 16 in 9.2 exercise. Okay, as today I am going to discuss the remaining questions in the same exercise. Okay, the first 1, 2, 3 minutes just revise the arithmetic progression, the formulas. What is the nth term of an AP? What is sum of n terms of an AP? First, what is the nth term of an AP? What is the nth term of an AP? Nth term can be denoted by an. Okay. Today's session is one of the last session of the arithmetic progressions. A plus n minus 1 into d. N is a nth term of an AP and L also n last term of an AP. A is a first term. N is a number of terms. D is a common difference of an AP. Okay, and also sum of n terms of an AP is equal to, tell me here, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Sn is a sum of n terms of an AP. Here find out the 20th term or find out the 15th term is nothing but of, here listen, a15 is equal to a as it is, right, plus n replacement 15. 15 minus 1, 14d. Find out the 20th term, a plus 19d. Let's find out the 16th term, as a16 is equal to a plus 15d. Okay, a 21th term is equal to a plus 20d. Simple. Okay, yes. Now I will start from question number 17. The first, listen to, a man start paying a loan as the first installment of Rs 100. Okay, 100 if he increases the installment by Rs 5 rupees every month, what amount will pay in 13th installment? 13th or 20th? Wait, 13th installment? Yes, 13th installment. What is our target? What is our find out? As 13th installment find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. A man started paying a loan as first installment of Rs is 100 rupees. 100. First you write given 100. Okay. Next, if he increases the installment by Rs 5 every month, so means what is the common difference? You observe here 100, 105, 110 up to so on. If increases the installment by Rs 5 every month, what amount will pay? What amount will pay in the 13th installment? Okay, so what is our target? As find out the A30 value. Okay, as A30 find out now. 13th value, nth value means AN, 13th value means A30. As first given, right, A is equal to how much? 100. The common difference D is equal to how much? 105 minus 100 means 5. Okay, what is our target? A30 find out now. Okay, clear? Yes, what is the formula? Yes, the regarding of this problem, by using the formula nth term is equal to an plus an minus 1 into d. Okay, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but if you write directly a plus 20th 13th installment, so means a plus, tell me, yes, what is a value? 100 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into 5. So means 30 minus 1. Okay, first write step by step. A what? 100 plus 30 minus 1 into, what is the d value? 5. Substitute here 100. Okay, plus 29 into 5. 145. Yes, here 9 5 is 45. Here 4 5 2 is 10, 400. Okay, yes, therefore 100 plus 145 means 245. Therefore the 13th installment is one of the easy question, but question is lengthy question. Okay, but very easy problem. The first read neatly ma. Okay, a man start paying a loan as a first installment of Rs 100 rupees. First installment means 100. Okay, if he increases the installment by Rs 5 increase ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Yes, increase 5, again 5, 105, 110, 115 up to so on. every month, what amount will pay in 13th installment? What is our target? Find out the A30 value by using the formula nth term of an AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. A is also given, D is also given, okay na, and n also is given 13th. Therefore obviously A plus 29 D. Okay, therefore 13th term means 13th installment is 245 rupees. Okay, the next similar question, example 7. Example 7 same type, but by using sum of n terms of an AP. As the same question, but some lengthy question is one of the very easy question also. Okay, example 7. The income of a person as RS 30,000, 30 lakh. So 3 lakh, sorry, BD, yes, 3 lakh in the first year, and he receives an increase of RS 10,000 to his income per year. Okay, for the next 19 year, find the total amount. Total amount means sum. Okay, total amount he received in 20 years. Okay, so means here, yes, what is our target? Find out the total amount he received in 20 years. So means by using the formula, the regarding of this problem, by using the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here n is given or not given? Yes, obviously given. Sum he received in 20 years. So therefore the given is the income of a person is Rs 3 lakh in the first year. First year means A. The value of A is here 30,000. Okay, 3 lakh. Next increase 3 lakh 10,000. Okay, up to so on. In the first year 3 lakh, and he receives an increase of Rs 10,000 to his income per year. Okay, for the next 19 year, find the total amount he received in 20 years. As what is our target? Find out the total amount. Total amount means sum. So means by using the formula sum of n terms of an AP. Here also, and also n is given. Okay, here A is equal to, right ma, 3 lakh. The common difference D is equal to 10,000. So means increase aagta hogutte 10,000. Okay, and also n is also given. So means n is equal to how much? 20. What is our target? Sum of 20 is equal to target. Our target. Okay, yes, substitute here ma, S20 is equal to sum of n terms of an AP. Howda? Yes or no? S20 is equal to some first write formula n by 2 into S2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, tell me. Yes, come on guys. N is equal to how much? 20. Yes, 20 divided by 2. Yes, 2 into a. What is a value? 3 lakh. Okay, plus. What is n? N minus means 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1. Okay, D 10,000. Okay, clear? Yes. Here 20 divided by 2 means 10. 3 lakh. 3 lakh into 2 means 6 lakh. Plus 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 10,000. Here 1,90,000. Okay, 1,19,000. So means 6,19,000. Obviously, yes. Right pa? Next step. Yes. Right. S20 is equal to 10 into 6 lakh with 1 lakh here 1,19,000. Add these amounts. 6 lakh plus 1 lakh, 7 lakh, 7,90,000. Okay. So means next 79 lakh, 77,90,000 into 10. So means 79 lakh. Okay, so 7,90,000 into 10 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬಸ್ 10 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore answer is tell me pa 79 lakh. Yes, therefore what is our target? Sum of the find the total amount received in 20 years. Yes, therefore the person received as 79 lakh as the total amount at the end of 20 years. Okay, that's right. Conclusion also. Yes, hence person received 79 lakh per year. Find the total amount received in 20 years. Hence person received the 79 lakh as received the amount received at the end of 20 years. Received amount at the end of 20 years. Yes, nice question, but question is lengthy. The answer is very easy. Okay, 79 lakh as the total amount at the end of 79 lakh total amount at the end of 20 years. Okay, the next one is one of the very important and the last questions of the in 9.2 exercise. Okay, so first listen, is one of the very important question. What is the question? Question number 18, the last in this session, the last question. The difference between any two consecutive interior angle of a polygon in 5 degree. If the smallest angle is 120 degree, find the number of sides of the polygon. How do you know that the concept of the polygon? Okay, yes, 3 or more sides. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುಭುಜಾಕೃತಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ರೀ. 3 ಅಥವಾ 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬಾಹುಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಉಳ್ಳಂತಹ ಆಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಹುಭುಜಾಕೃತಿಗಳು. ಎಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ English medium students in polygon concept also very well. Okay, as shape of triangle, quadrilateral and polygon, pentagonal, hexagonal, octagonal. Okay, the next question is question number 18. Yes, before start question number 18 is one of the wonderful result is there ma. The sum of internal angle of a polygon, sum of internal angle of a polygon having a n sides is n minus 2 into pi. Okay, sum of internal, right, sum of internal angle of a polygon having a n sides is n minus 2 into pi. Is one of the very important concept, especially for JEE. Okay, JEE nalladre 4 mark. Okay, CET nalladre tell me all of you 1 mark, PUC nalladre 3 mark. Okay, question number 18. Today's session last problem. Yes, one of the very important problem, very important note also. Yes, all of you first write note. After that to start question number 18. Okay, and also each angle of a polygon is always less than 180 degree also. And second note, all of you write the proof, the first proof. I will discuss proof ma. After that again I will another note. Okay, yes, sum of internal angle of a polygon having a n sides is n minus 2 into pi. So means Sn is equal to n minus 2 into pi. How can be proved? Okay, yes, listen, one of the very important concept. How do you know that the concept of the polygon? Okay, yes, listen carefully. Here, yes, one of the shape, tell me. Yes, come on girls, boys. Yes, triangle shape. Okay, as this one angle, total angle is 180 degree. Okay, how many sides is there? 3 sides. Yes or no? Yes, 3 sides. Sides 3. Okay, yes, how many triangle is there? Therefore one triangle. Okay, here therefore total angle is as sum of the angle is 180 degree. Okay, and also next shape is, listen carefully, as quadrilateral. Okay, is also each angle in the polygon having a less than 180 degree. Be careful, another note here also same angle, this one, and also listen carefully, how much triangles, as here one, this one and this one. Okay, now how many triangles? 2 triangles. How many sides? 4 sides. Okay, na 4 sides. Total also the angle, this one also angle, this one also, and this one also. Therefore how many triangles? 2 triangles. Okay, na as in sum of the angles is 180 degree. Here 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. How many triangles? 2 triangles. Similarly, and penta, I will take a pentagonal. Listen, this side. Okay, listen carefully. Yes, this one shape. Okay, and also this one also one of the shape, this one also one of the shape. Okay, now how many triangles? 1 2 3 triangles. This one first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, and also here also angle. This one also angle, this one also, this one. How many angles? Listen, here is first, how many sides? 5 sides. Okay, now here angle 180 degree. Okay, as how many triangles formation in this polygon? As 3 sides. Yes or no? 3 sides. Next, similarly up to so on. Listen carefully. Here what is our target? Sum of the internal angle of a polygon having n sides is n minus 2 into pi. N sides, but here first 3 sides. Listen carefully. Okay, next 4 sides, next 5 sides, up to so on n sides. Here 3 sides can be written as, here 180 is there, ma. Okay, listen carefully, as 180. One triangle formation ಆಗಬೇಕು. One triangle formation ಆಗಿದೆನಾ? How many sides? By using 3 sides. Therefore 180 into as 3 minus 2. Okay, na 3 minus 2 means 1 only, na, into 180 degree. Next, listen carefully. Listen, here 180 degree. Okay, 180 into as how many sides? 4 sides. How many triangle formation? 4 minus 2. Clear? Yes. Next is wonderful proof, ma. Proof is very important in KUPY exam also. Okay. Yes. Next, again 180. How many sides formation by using this polygon? So means pentagonal. Next hexagonal. Next octagonal. Okay. Listen. Hexagonal, octagonal. Okay. Listen. Here 180 into how many sides? 5 sides. 5. Yes. How many triangles formation in this shape? Yes, 3 triangles. Okay. So means 5 minus 3. Sorry, 5 minus 2, ma. Okay. 5 minus 2. Listen carefully. Here same. Listen. Here sides. 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. Up to so on. Yes, listen. Yes. Tell me. Up to so on. Yes, n sides. Up to so on, n sides. Okay. Yes, here 180. First 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 hexagonal. Next 8 sides idra octagonal. Okay, up to so on n sides idra. Therefore obviously here number of sides, n is a number of sides, n minus 2 into n minus 2 same re 2 n minus 2 into pi, so means 180 degree. Sum of n terms of an internal angle of a polygon is 180 degree. Yes, n minus 2 into pi, the first node. And also by using the concept second node point, second point, each angle in the polygon is always 180, less than 180 degree. Okay na? Each angle in the polygon is always less than 180 degree. Okay, less than 180 degree is one of the very important concept, important formula also. Okay na? Sum of the internal angle of a polygon having a n sides is n minus 2 into pi. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ರೀ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ n minus 2 pi ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್, 4 sides, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎಸ್ ಪೆಂಟಾಗಾನ್, ಪೆಂಟಾಗಾನ್, ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 5 sides, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಗಾನ್. ಎಸ್, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆರಿಫೈಡ್ ಪಾ, ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 4 sides you take, 4 2s how much, 360. Okay, yes, 360 degree, 360. Here 540. Okay na, 540 verified. N minus 2, n is the number of sides, so means tell me 4 sides you take, 4 minus 2 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 2 into 180 degree, therefore 360 degree. Okay, yes, next 3 sides means 3 minus 1 180 degree. Next 5 sides, next hexagonal you take 6 sides, so means you take 6 sides, n is equal to 6. Okay na, find the sum of internals of an angle, find the sum of the internal angle of a polygon having n sides, having a 6 sides adre, yes, therefore 6 minus 2 4 into pi, so means 180 degree. Okay na, 720. Okay, 720. Your shape also is one of the very interesting shape. Listen carefully. Okay, how many triangles? First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, clear? The first, second, third, fourth, 4 sides. Clear? Yes, therefore, yes, there is 6 alva. Yes, therefore n is equal to 6 adre. n minus 2, n is equal to 6, so 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 2 4 into pi. Okay, therefore here 1 2 3 4 shape, 4 triangles, 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, be careful, is one of the very important concept. As next goes to the last question. As nice question ma, today's session last question. As question number 18, the difference between any two conjugative interior angle of a polygon is 5 degree. If the smallest angle is 120 degree, find the sides of a polygon. Okay, find the number of sides of a polygon. Okay, what is our target? Yes, n numbers, so means find the sides, n is equal to how much. Okay, the difference between any two conjugative interior angle of a polygon is 5 degree and the smallest angle is 120 degree. Find the number of sides of a polygon. Yes, what is our given? Yes, the given, what is the given? The difference between any two conjugative interior means the d is equal to how much ma? 5. D is equal to 5. Yes, the regarding of this problem by using the formula, tell me anybody. Yes, sum of n terms, so means sum of internal angle of a polygon having a n sides is sum of interior angle of n sides is n minus 2 into pi. Okay, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರೀ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನೋ, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ಎಸ್, 100%. ಫೈನ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು n minus 2 into pi. Clear? Yes. Here first you write given ma. Yes, d is equal to 5 degree. If the smallest angle is a is equal to how much? Tell me. 120 degree. A is equal to 120. Find the number of sides of a polygon. As n is equal to what target? Our target is find out the number of sides. Okay, as especially for JEE question, especially JEE mains ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಮ್ಮ 4 mark. Okay, ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ರೀ. The first, right, by using the formula sum of n times Sn is equal to, what is the formula? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? That's right. Sum of n terms is equal to n minus 2 into pi. Sum of internal angle of a polygon having n sides is, okay, already proved. Yes, Sn n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to n minus, as it is right, first n minus 2 into pi. Pi means 180 degree na? Yes, means 180. First, right ma. Okay, be careful. Yes. Next, here substitute here. What is the common difference? What is the a? Here 2 multiplied ma, n into, okay, are clearly visible? The last one, n by 2 into 2a. Yes. Yes, 2 multiplied re. Okay, 2 into, what is a value? 120 degree. 120 plus n minus 1 into, what is the d value? 5 is equal to, tell me ma, n minus 2 means, n minus 2 as it is right here, 2 into, now cross multiplied, 2 into 180 means 360 into n minus 2. Okay, 360 into n minus 2. Okay, yes, multiplied ma. Is term by term multiplied. Therefore, 240 n into 240 first, as it is right, 2 into 120, 240 plus 5n minus 5. Okay, 5n n into na is totally multiplied. Okay, minus 5 n into 240 plus 5n minus 5, okay, is equal to 360 n minus 720. Okay, clearly? Yes. Now multiplied, is a term by term multiplied. 240 minus 5, 235. So means 5n square plus 235n, okay, is equal to 360n minus 720. Okay, yes, 5n square shifted to left side. 360 shifted to left side, 720 shifted to left side. Okay, yes, 3 minus 360 here plus 235 plus 125n plus 720 is equal to 0. Because you verify 5 plus 5 10, 0 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 1 2, 360. I will write directly ma, directly right. Okay, yes, here divided by 5. Okay, yes, is also one of the quadratic equation for, yes, calculate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಯಾರು n square plus 5 2s 10, 5 5s 25, 25n plus 5 1s 5 4s 5 4s. ಓಕೆನಾ, divided by 5 na, yes, 5 4s 20, 5 44 is equal to 0. Okay, yes, is also one of the quadratic equation. What is the factor of this equation? Therefore 19, 16 and tell me, yes, 25 here 144 is there, 16 9s 144, 16 plus 9 add ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ 25 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್? ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು 25 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವೇ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ 144 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಮಾ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ n ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19n ಪ್ಲಸ್ 16n. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರು minus 125? Sorry ma, here shifted means left side. minus 125n. Here minus 25n. Here minus 9n, sorry, minus 16n, okay, plus 144 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay, clear? Yes. Next, what is it get common? N get common ma, n minus 9. Okay, minus 16 get common outside. Here plus 16 minus 16 get common outside. Therefore here also n minus 9. 69 is 144. Okay, is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 9 get common outside. Here n minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to 9 and n is equal to 16. Okay, clear? Here n is equal to 9 and 16 is formation agide ma. Here get it the values of n is equal to 9 and 16. What values of n? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ n is equal to 9 only, n is equal to 16 is not possible, is also not possible. 16 only is not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Why? Tell me anybody. N is equal to 16 not possible, n is equal to 9 only, that is the answer. How? Yeah, substitute the nth term of NIP, a plus n minus 1d, a plus 15d, substitution ಮಾಡಿ 195 degree ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. As what is our according to note, the sum of each angle in the polygon is always less than 180 degree. Okay, here 100% right, n square minus 25n minus 25n plus 144, here 16 is right ma. Okay, n is equal to 9 and n is equal to 16. Sir, n is equal to 16 ಯಾಕೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, n is equal to 9 only ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. n is equal to, therefore the number of sides in the polygon n is equal to 9. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಯರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 120 ಮಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಯರ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 16 ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 16 minus 1 15 into 5. Okay, as 120 plus 75 is equal to 195 is one of the very important, is a twisted also, one of the twisting question ma. Okay, especially for JE 4 marks ಕೇಳೋಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 3 mark ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 120, 16 minus 1 15, 15 into 5 75. ಓಕೆನಾ, 5 5 is 25, 5 10 is 50, 75. 120 plus 75 195. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್, ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 195 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ n is equal to 16 is not possible. ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಮ್ಮ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ n? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ is equal to 9. ಓಕೆ, yes, totally, yes, arithmetic progression completed ma. Okay, the next class, the remaining, next another one topic. Okay, sequence and series alle sub topic. Yes, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.